Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. The integration of cosine AX. We have 1 over a sine AX. The integration of sine AX. We have negative 1 over 8 cosine AX. The integration of e to the power of AX. We have e to the power of AX over 8, and I will put about c. The integration of secant of AX squared. We have 1 over 8 tan AX. And the last one, the integration of tan AX. That is about sine AX over cosine AX. So you got about negative ln of the absolute value of cosine AX over 8. Now we can apply the formula for this one, and we have the final answer. So we simplify. This is so simple. This one we have number 1. This one we have number 1. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.